In this video, I will introduce you to my girlfriend.
Whoa, I'm getting pretty good at this quick change thing.
Dua, I love you, but do you love me?
I do.
Okay, so as you can see, she loves me. But just a minute, I'm not here to talk about Dua Lipa. I'm here to talk about object pronoun. Always use the object pronoun after a verb, so that's it. Oh, James, I didn't understand. No, so let's go. So here we have the subject pronoun. And here we have the object pronoun. And when we use that, so for example, if I tell you, I love, I am the verb, okay, so I love Dua Lipa. But I can replace her name using the object pronoun. So I can say, I love her. Or, for example, I can say, she loves Jimmy, or she loves me. Okay, so the object pronoun we use it always after the verb. Well, so that's why when someone needs some help in New York City, they don't say Spider-Man, help I! But they say Spider-Man, help me! You see, help me, no help I. Why? Because we have the verb. Simple like that. So subject we use it before the verb. So I, you, he, she, it, etc. Now the object pronoun we use it after the verb. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and then
but be careful.
You is the same. Also it. So that's it. There is no secret. You just use the object pronoun after the verb. Very easy, right? Nice. I'll not forget that. You are the best. So now we just have to practice it. So what I recommend you, write a sentence here in the comments. So dear, do you have now a message for the people who watched us?
No, I think the message has been received.
I love this girl. I love her. So I am James, it was a pleasure teaching you, and help me to reach 100,000 followers this year, sharing this and all of the other videos.